Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Aphrodite's child, and in today's video we're actually going to open one of my birthday presents early. My birthday isn't going to be till the 17th of October, which is next week on Tuesday. I'm going to be 34, but excuse me, sorry. But I really couldn't wait till then to open this. One of my birthday presents. I also have my first ever scallop head kind of crown, which I've loved mermaids ever since I was a kid, and I had a dream where Aphrodite transformed herself into a mermaid, and that was really special that she did that for me, because I've loved mermaids ever since I was a kid, and I associate her with being a mermaid, and I just love this head crown with the scallops and the shells and the pearls, and so I definitely will be wearing that for my birthday. So this is exciting, guys, really exciting. I also have here like a scallop charm, which is so cool. And so without further ado, let's open. I am like holding my phone with this hand, so we'll try and open it the best that I can. So I managed to get this off. I will be keeping this because it has the scallop charm on. So let's open. Oh wow, guys, look what we have here. We have Aphrodite's Oracle deck. And we also have the guidebook for the cards as well. This lovely book with the scallop. And this deck is from Etsy. And it's a 28 card deck. And we have this beautiful guidebook to go with it. And it's by Jennifer Heather. So let's just take a quick look at the guidebook. I'm so excited for this deck, guys. It was, I'm so happy that they had it back in stock, because when I first saw it, I really wanted it, and it's very mermaidish, and I strongly associate with Aphrodite as being a mermaid. And I've loved mermaids ever since I was a kid. My favourite Walt Disney is Little Mermaid, and I also like the Hans version, the anime version of Little Mermaid as well. So let's just take a look at this beautiful deck. It is very mermaidish. See if I can open it. So we have here, we have the introduction, reading the cards, and there'll be like the cards, name of the cards. Then we have the introduction, so I'll read some of the introduction for you. Aphrodite is the Greek goddess of love and beauty, known as Venus to the Romans. Born of sea foam, her entry into the world was a spectacular that made her the muse of painters and artists. Arriving on the island of Cyprus on a clamsheller's new beauty, the image of Aphrodite is both enduring and captivating. Her birth is possibly one of the most famous tales of entry into the world, being as gruesome as it is beautiful. There are two main versions that account from the arrival of the goddess, one from Hesiod and the other from Homer. Hesiod describes her legendary emergence from the ocean waters after the Titan Cronus castrated his father, Uranus, and threw his dissembled genitals into the ocean. As the divine genitalia merged with the seawater, it caused the miraculous inception of a beautiful goddess, fully grown and glorious. She was carried by the island of Kethra by wind. Before taking her first steps upon Cyprus, flowers boomed beneath her feet as her footsteps awoke the fertility of the earth. And the version of her birthplace her as a daughter of a Titan, making her older than the Olympian gods and an aunt to Zeus. It also positions her as the offspring of the sky and sea, which accounts for her connection to the water as well as her celestial aspects, as she was frequently called Urania, meaning heavenly. And then it goes furthermore into the introduction and reading the cards, and then we have the messages for the cards. So let's dig in and take a look at the cards. Oh wow, these are so pretty. And they're really good cardstock, and they're like the same size as my hands. So as you can see, I've only got small hands, so they're actually perfect for my hands. Absolutely perfect. So this deck is truly for me. So first we have Foam Born, Rebirth of the Soul. I love that picture. Cards are really good cardstock, and they're not sticking together either. Next we have Mixing, Creating Synergy. Then we have Harmony, Energetic Union. Then we have Pleasure, Sincere Indulgence. Oh wow, this is another beautiful picture. Then we have Flow, Strength in Yielding. Friendship, Kinder Spirits. Nurture, Life-Giving. Enchantment, Touch of Magic. This actually reminds me of the moon side of her, because obviously with her ruling the oceans, she will have a strong aspect to the moon. So this also reminds me of the moon side of her. Then we have Endowment, Armor of Glamour. Seduction, Artful Attraction. Pride, Quiet Dignity. Persuasion, Skinful Words. Heavenly, Ancestral Wisdom. Prosperity, Psychic Gifts. As you can see, they've got like a big scallop on the back there. Mystery, Secret Delights. Passion, Inner Fire. I really do like that card. I really like that one. She-Wolf, Untamed. Wow, I'm so happy that they've actually mentioned the she-wolf side to her in this deck, because that rarely gets talking about when it comes to Aphrodite, because she does have a she-wolf aspect to her. So I'm so glad that they've actually mentioned that. Sanctuary, Sacred Space. Healing, Soothing Waters. This is very mermaidish. Oh wow, check out this next card, guys. This is beautiful. Morning Star, the Beacon. They've truly have captured Aphrodite in these cards. Evening Star, Light in the Dark. Besides my Titanic deck, if you haven't seen that, do check it out. This is my favourite deck. Reckoning, Valiant Truth. Warlike, Pick Your Battles. They've even used Aphrodite's war aspect of her when she was worked with in Sparta as a warrior goddess. I have a UPG with her through a warrior aspect where owls would be sacred to her. Victory, achievement. Golden, the exalted self. This reminds me of the sun aspect of her. Universal, cosmic tapestry. And this reminds me of the star, her celestial side, to the planets, Milky Way. And then we have shipwreck, stormy waters. And then the last card is Pandemus, all the people. So there you have it, guys, and I've also got a little thank you note as well for supporting their business. And that's it, and that's just the box, guys. So there you go, guys, just a quick video of the Aphrodite's Oracle deck. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like and thumbs up, and I'll hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.